In today's episode, we take a closer look at global pop superstar Ariana Grande, known for her powerhouse vocals, chart-topping hits, and massive influence on pop culture. Over the years, fans have wondered about her sexuality, especially after certain lyrics and public moments sparked discussion. So, is Ariana Grande gay? Let's find out. Ariana Grande, born the 26th of June 1993, began her career in musical theater and Nickelodeon, before rising to international fame as one of the biggest pop stars of her generation. With albums like Sweetener, Thank You, Next, and Eternal Sunshine, she has built a reputation as an artist who openly expresses emotion, identity, and empowerment. Her inclusive lyrics, support for LGBTQ+ rights, and friendships within the queer community have always made fans curious about whether her music reflects her own sexuality. Is Ariana Grande gay? Ariana Grande has never publicly identified as gay. For most of her career, she has described herself as straight. However, in recent years, some lyrics and artistic choices, including songs in which she expresses attraction without specifying gender, have sparked speculation. Ariana herself has said she prefers not to label her sexuality, choosing instead to express herself freely through her art. Despite speculation, she has only publicly dated men, including Dalton Gomez, Pete Davidson, and her current partner, Ethan Slater. As of now, Ariana Grande continues to focus on her music, acting, and her beauty brand. She remains a strong supporter of LGBTQ+ fans and communities worldwide. But when it comes to her own identity, she has not stated that she is gay, nor has she confirmed any label at all. Her approach remains simple. She loves who she loves in her music, and she leaves interpretation open to her audience. So, is Ariana Grande gay? No, she has never identified as gay, and she has chosen not to label her sexuality publicly. What she has done is use her platform to uplift and support the LGBTQ+ community in powerful ways. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite stars and where they are now.